How to change email address on Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and then click on your profile at the top right. Click on Manage your Google account or your Google account. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Personal Info at the left side. Then in Personal Info, scroll down and click on Email. It will lead you to this page. As you can see, this address used to identify your Google account to you and others. You can't change this address. So what you can do is create a new account. Then press on your Google account again, which is the old one, or press on Settings and go to See All Settings. Then in here, click on Forwarding and Pop IMAP. Click on Add a Forwarding Address. And then add the Gmail account you created. After adding it, press on Next. Verify it's you. Then forwarding address, confirmation link will be sent. Log into another account and confirm the link. After that, in here you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on forward or copy of incoming mail and then add the same Gmail that you created just now and keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, or you can select whichever you prefer. After that, if you click on Save Changes, it will lead you to your page. Press on Compose, and if you send anybody email, it will be sent from the new mail. And this is how to change email address on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.